Hi everyone, hello, welcome back to our channel. I'm saying our because my doggo is here and sometimes he normally appears in my videos, so I will say our channel. So welcome back to our channel, and to my subscribers, thank you so much. Those who are viewing, thank you so much, and please don't just view and you miss to subscribe. Kindly subscribe and then you comment, share, and also like. Yeah, dog is there, is from bathing, so he's telling me like. Yeah, that is his hand, he's waving. Okay, dog, you finish haraka, then you finish homework. Okay, yeah, so I'm going to cook silverfish or omena, boiled one, not fried. I boiled, so I'm going to put some soup. Omena imepikwa, si omena imekaangwa. Yeah, that's what I'm going to have, and I'm going to have with some amaranthus. We call them ododo in my language. So that is what I'm going to cook tonight, plus brown ugali. Let me show you these amaranthus. This is what I got fresh from my garden. Oh! See, and it's a bunch. So this is what I'm going to have. I'm just going to wash. I don't cut. I'm washing nidondoe and then I fry. I'm going to remove the leaves one by one, but I'm not going to cut. So that is what I'm going to have. Karibuni sana, and I hope you're going to enjoy the meal the way we are going to do. It will be yummy in my tummy. Yeah, yummy in my tummy. Don't go do faster, we come and cook. Okay. Today you are going to cut kitungu or nyanya. Nyanya. Yeah, I'm teaching him how to cook kidogo kidogo, so today he's going to cut my nyanya. Yeah, that's it. My omena. This is it. I just want to wash, then fry. I'm going to enjoy this meal the way I love brown ugali. Hey. And guys, please subscribe. Has come out. See, so yummy. Today I didn't grate my nyanya, nilikata tu. Alafu niweke maziwa na dania, then we eat. So yummy and delicious. And omena ama silver ziko na iron. Tunataka kujenga mwili. So I'm frying my amaranthus. You see, nimedondoa. I let it steam a little. then I'll show you. So that is my amaranthus ready, my mboga. The reason why I don't cut it, when it is cooked, it seems like a thick as cut. So I don't normally cut my amaranthus. I just put it like that. This is my water for ugali. I want to boil it first. Then I'll start cooking. Sunny, the whole process, it was not recorded. Guys, I'm so sorry because I didn't know the whole time I was cooking this ugali, the video was not recording. I'm sorry. But this is it. I'm so sorry. By the time I started cooking this ugali, I didn't know the video was not recording. My ugali is here, brown ugali, mixture of cassava and millet, not maize. The other day I cooked maize, so today it's cassava and millet. Brown ugali, so healthy, delicious, yummy, sweet, nutritious, yeah. So that is my food. Yummy. Amaranthus ama zile mboga, the ones I didn't cut, hizo hapo. I've got my avocado, then my omena is there, plus the brown ugali.